This is a male. I believe that's a male and that's a female. A bit of a couple. Mr. and Mrs. Iguana. What's happening?